Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make Paneer Bhurji at home. So let's get straight to it. I'm heating up some oil in a pan. Adding some cumin seeds, about 1 teaspoon. Allow that to heat up nicely. Once it's heated, I'm adding 2 chopped green chilies. These are the spicy chilies, which are the dark green ones. Then I'm adding about 3 chopped onions. Incorporate this well, mix it well, and allow it to fry till it's just turns about pink. I'm adding some salt. Please add as per your taste. And mix well. Keep mixing because you don't want it to get burnt down. Then I'm adding half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Remember, we don't really need to brown the onions too much for this dish. So when it turns around pinkish color, just about getting a brown tinge, you can add the ginger garlic paste then. Now I'm adding a few curry leaves. Traditionally, a lot of people don't add curry leaves. I'm adding it because I love the flavor of it, and I think it really adds essence to this dish. So you could try it with curry leaves and let me know how it turns out. I'm so sorry I lost the footage of the next part, but I added some diced capsicum, too small to be precise. And I added half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon each of chili powder, coriander powder, and garam masala powder. And I allowed this to fry for about just 2 minutes. After this, I added the tomatoes. They're about 2 diced tomatoes. And I cover this and let the tomatoes cook for about 2 minutes. Again, I open and stir. You would have observed I frequently stir this dish. It's because you need to ensure that it doesn't get burnt down. Once the tomatoes have cooked for about 2 minutes, I add about 400 grams of paneer, which I have crushed by hand. You can actually even shred this, but since the paneer was really soft and tender, shredding with a grater or grating with a grater was not an option, so I just made it into pieces with my hands. Again, this is an important step where you need to ensure that all the paneer is incorporated with the masala. So ensure you mix well. Now I'm just finishing this off by garnishing it with some coriander leaves. That's it, it's ready. You can turn the gas off at this point. You can serve it with some hot chapatis or roti, tandoori roti, naan, kulcha, anything you would prefer. Here you have it, Paneer Bhurji, which is extremely tasty, simple and easy to make. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye bye.